So if you have these hands, these are the cheaper ones, what you'll do with them is when you may notice that they're bent. For example, this second hand here looks a bit bent. No need to worry, it's very soft metal. So what you want to do is you just want to stretch it, or I should say just run your finger along it as if you're twisting it or curling it, and eventually what will happen is, well, it'll be curved, but it'll be smooth. Then you can just sort of manually straighten it out, and do that to all the hands until they're straight. Now, the movement itself, so the idea is you put the washer on it, if you have a washer. They don't all have it. And this particular clock has an extra plate on the back, because in the design we need to hide the clock movement. So what I'm going to do is put this on now, and then we put the washer, if there is one, and then the little nut. And you want to tighten this finger tight as much as you can. Okay, next you look on the face and you decide which way is up, and you want to make sure that the hook is facing exactly up. Okay, then you're going to put on the hands. So these hands here, you start with the hour hand, and you'll want to put it on so that it's facing exactly at 12 o'clock. And then you do the same thing with the minute hand, and then you put the second hand on. And I'm going to show you with these hands here. This is an upgrade that you can get, and these are made from CDs. So I'm going to put that on so that the hour hand goes first, facing exactly up. Then the minute hand. Notice they're both facing 12 o'clock. And then the second hand can go on. And the second hand doesn't matter where you put it. Now, when you handle the clock, handle it from the movement. Don't put your fingers all over it and make fingerprints. And also, only move the hands with the wheel at the back, right here. So what I usually do is I move it to 10 to 2, because that way it shows that the hands are not bumping into each other or anything like that. Now, the next is battery installation. So to do the battery, you turn it over, and it's marked. It's very hard to see, but it's marked that the positive is on the right. Yeah, that's right. So this one says positive on the right. So what we're going to do, usually you put the negative in, you push the positive in last. That's what you normally do on a battery. This one you don't. So you take the positive of the battery, which is the lump, and that goes in first, and then you push the negative in after. See how easy that goes? If you do it the other way, it's really difficult. And there. So now it's running. As you can see, the hand is turning.